Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm Alhiri Ebenezer, a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. You guys are the real MVP. So let's get into today's vlog. So at this point, Jeffron is learning how to skate. He's in my husband's brother's house. That's my in-laws house, brother-in-law's house, and his children are there already. So they're learning how to skate. Try standing. Don't bend your leg. Just stand. Attention. Nation, continue now. She continue. So guys, if you've been following me for a while now, you know that by now this is my one of my favorite, but today I don't have lettuce, so I'm using cabbage instead. I have some eggs, I have some pan toast bread that I've made earlier, and then I have some diced chicken and sausages that I've cooked together, and give it a stir fry. And then at the end there I have some mayonnaise and ketchup. So yeah, so right here is my mother-in-law playing with Brian. Brian is having a fun like of his life. As you can see, he's laughing so hard. So this is my mother-in-law, the mother to my husband. Yeah. He's even stretching out his hands. He's the one that said you have dog in your house and he's actually the dog. They all belong to Jesus. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. They all belong to Jesus. So hi guys, I came to make my hair today. This is what it looks like. So guys, at the salon, just made my hair. Okay, so guys, I'm done making my hair. How does it look like? So there's a crochet braid and it's looking so beautiful. So, hi guys, we're at the market looking to get some things. This boy is just smiling. Yeah. So hi guys, today I carry the whole battalion. Like, look at who we have here. I have everybody, Nadia, Glenda. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today I am in the hospital already, as you can tell by the noise from the background. Okay, I came to get a TT injection. You know, tetanus is TT if you don't know. Okay, I started when I was pregnant at around second trimester, and today is my third dose. And if you've been following the channel, you know that my baby is already 4 months old. So I came to get the third dose. It was supposed to be on a Tuesday, but today is Thursday. I've been procrastinating, but finally I'm here today to get my second dose. And after the TT, I have pap meters. Like, I ran a pap meters like almost 2 months ago, but I haven't come to collect it because they have specific days of collecting the results. So here, so after the TT, I will go to get my pap meters result, and that I'll make in a separate video. So how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. So I'm doing okay. I have my face mask here. Okay, I have my mask here, so it's not like I'm not seeing protected. So let me get things doing, like, let me just finish doing what brought me here, and I'll talk to you. Just felt I should give you a quick update. I forgot my the receipt in the car, and I just got went to get it right now. And on my way back to the hospital, I've not yet taken my TT injection. So guys, right now, um, on my way to get my pap test result. Okay, so guys, quick update. Right now, I'm done with my TT injection. At first, I freaked out because it's been a while I took a shot. So I'm waiting for for the doctor to attend to me. Actually, as I said earlier, I'm here to, get a TT injection and also collect my pap smear injection. So and like I said, I'll just make a separate video about this pap smear thing. Okay, so that's a quick update, and this is a vlog. So these are pretty much what I'm up to, what my life is going on right now. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Okay, so guys, I finally got the pap smear test result. I finally got the pap smear test result after 2 months of waiting. I made it around that June, so this August, and I came to get the result. So I'm on my way home. I've gotten my shot and I've gotten my result, and I'll share the result in my next video. Okay, I'll share it in my next video. So I'm on my way home. See you guys later. Bye. This is Brian. This is my sister-in-law and her baby. Say hi, Alicia. Baby Alicia. Baby Alicia. How are you? She wants to come and no. That's Brian. Okay, let me turn the camera. So guys, today is Sunday morning. I made this yesterday and I'm so proud of myself. It's been a while I made chin chin. This has a lot of goodness in it. And then I made meat pie. We ate a lot yesterday night. I made it in the night, and this is Sunday morning. So this is so delicious. Like, I'm so proud of myself because it's been long I made this. So I'm glad to be back to being a human being. Pregnancy can stop you from doing a lot of things. So how did I do? So guys, this is dot food finger millet. If you're following me on Instagram by now, you should have seen the commercial I made for this video. This is not a sponsored video in any way, so don't say that it's because. So if you are a mom that is lazy making, let me not use the word lazy, but if you need a supplement for your baby or even for yourself, in place of the regular custard, you can go for this. You get this helps in controlling blood sugar level in diabetes, lowering high blood pressure. It lowers the blood cholesterol with its low fat content and unsaturated fat. It aids in weight loss, and it is gluten free. So it contains antioxidants, decreasing risk of cancer and slows down aging. Rich source of calcium, iron, protein, fiber, and minerals. Help in development of bones in children and maintains bones health in adults, and it reduces the osteoporosis and fracture. It reduces the risk of stroke. Finger millet is an excellent baby food. So this guys is a finger millet. Like, it's so good. It's so thick when you make it. Like, you don't even need, you can take it with your yogurt, you can take it with your milk, you can take it just like that with sugar, or you can just take it without even sugar. So you need to get this, and I will leave all the details in my description box so you could go get it. Okay, so just get one for yourself today, and it's so affordable. Okay. thank you so much, guys, for watching today's vlog. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun as much as I did editing it. So if you had fun, kindly hit the subscribe button for me. Kindly hit the subscribe button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be so grateful. So thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye bye.